Edexcel A-Level Maths, Pure Paper 2, June 2022, Question 3. A sequence of terms, A1, A2, A3, and so on, is defined by A1 equals 3 and AN plus 1 equals 8 minus AN. Part A, I, we need to show that this sequence is periodic. Now, for a sequence to be periodic, this means that the terms are going to be repeating themselves in a pattern. So let's work out some terms and show that this is true. So we know that A1, the first term, is equal to 3. We can then use our AN plus 1 formula to work out A2. So A2 is going to equal 8 minus A1. Well, A1 is 3, so A2 must be equal to 5. We can now put this back into the formula to work out A3. So A3 is equal to 8 minus A2. So that's 8 minus 5, which is equal to 3, which is the same as A1. So as the sequence has now repeated itself, everything from now on is just going to be repeating as well. Our sequence must be 3, 5, 3, 5, 3, 5, and so on. So for part 2, where we're stating the order of this periodic sequence, we can use this fact, 3, 5, 3, 5, 3, 5, to say that the order must be equal to 2, because there are two numbers that are repeating themselves over and over again. For part B, we need to find the value of the sum between n equals 1 and 85 of AN. So we're summing the first 85 terms of the sequence 3, 5, 3, 5, 3, 5, and so on. Now, as we've got an order of 2 for this, we know that that very last term must be a 3, because it's gone 3, 5, 3, 5, and so on in pairs. So every even number is 5, every odd number must be 3. So we need to add together all of them. So just looking at the first 84 terms, we know that half of them are going to be 3, half of them are going to be 5. So the sum of those is going to be 42 times 3 plus 42 times 5, which is equal to 336. And then we're just going to add on that final 3, the 85th term, to that. So 336 plus 3 equals 339. And that is the sum of the first 85 terms. If you've enjoyed this video, remember to subscribe to the Doing Maths channel to keep up to date with all the latest releases.